Hey there, everyone. Let's talk about Halloween needs. Everything from the pumpkin, costumes, makeup, paint, decorations, inflatables, and then some. Let's take a look at a Casola Farms. When we arrived, it was actually pretty empty, quite the opposite of last year. No worries there. There was plenty of parking and pumpkins for the picking. As you can see, the place is family friendly. Pumpkins are laid out in the grass for you. They have carts available when you finally find the one or ones that you and your kids like. When you go back inside, you can see there's plenty of alternatives: squash, gourds, different colors, and my favorite, the little mini pumpkins. Yeah, I know they're gourds, but I get them every year from my classroom and I use them as pumpkin props. Indoors has plenty of different supplies, decorations, paint, and all kinds of knickknacks that you couldn't even think of. I love the Halloween decor that they do themselves, hanging from the ceiling and ordaining the walls, so check that out. This place is pretty much a one-stop shop for all your Halloween and fall needs. Toward the end, you'll see they have different fall pie options available: pumpkin, apple, pecan or pecan, coconut custard, cherry, peach, blueberry. There were so many options. We got the pumpkin and it was delicious. Oh, yeah, and they have apple cider, donuts, and these adorable cookies that you'll see in a minute. The prices aren't too shabby, and everything here is farm fresh. Do note they're a cash only establishment, but they do have an ATM on the premises. So everyone went to go pack the car, and I did a little bit more investigating. The rest of the premises has quite a bit to offer. Unfortunately, it started raining and we didn't get to check it out. The farm features more incredible character cutout photo opportunities, a plant nursery with plenty of flowers, wine tasting, many different potted flowers, face painting, and even more. So it was finally time to go. The car's all packed and we're headed back home. We used the paint we got at the farm, and then some, to decorate and paint our pumpkins together. Here are the finished products. What do you think? If you got some value from this video, please hit that like button to show your support. Subscribe for more local recommendations, and we'll see you next time.